What's going on, guys? It's your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with another micro, solo gang miner. Alright, we actually won this one at BTC 24.
As I speak, right over there, I actually won this bad boy right there yesterday. So
In Nashville, courtesy of the Canaan Booth. So shout out to them. And yeah. Let's get on into this bad boy. So yeah, 140 watts at total peak, right? So make sure whenever you buy these, make sure you get either a capable power supply or make sure you grab the one from them. It's very important. So at most, it looks like we will be able to get 4 terahashes out of this bad boy. And of course, it is, you can take this off. I do like the blue. We also have a pink one of these, which is the wife's, but this one is mine. So let's get into this. Let's get this bad boy turned on, and let's start getting it configured. And also make sure you download the app, because that is the best way right now to update these. If you have one, make sure you update it, because there was a vulnerability that they found in the web GUI. So make sure you use the application. That way you can actually, 1, find it easier, and 2, be able to update this. They are working on adding it to where you can just update it through the web GUI, but right now the easiest and quickest way is just to use the app. And right now, actually, it's the only way. So let's get this bad boy powered on. And well, we're at least online. Now we just have to connect to its Wi-Fi, like here. Avalon heater. Now we go to add device. We'll do it while we're using the app. Alright, so there we go. Now we just need to select a Wi-Fi for it to connect to. We have found our Avalon. It says it's offline. Alright, so I don't know why it's not letting me over there, but we'll just do this. Root for Avalons. So it is online, but the app is showing that it's not online. So right now it's mining to the default settings. But we do need to upgrade it. So, right here in the app, I actually had an issue because I wasn't on the right Wi-Fi. But click the little thing up there, and we gotta click next, because this needs to happen. That way we can patch that security update. So once that's done, we'll be able to go in, finalize all of this. So do this first. This is the first thing you need to do. So you can actually see that it's updating on here. Alright, so now that is done, it's currently mining at the bottom level. So it's at low. Go medium, high. But before we do anything, we actually need to change the mining management stuff, because this is all of the defaults, which since we did the upgrade, it always says redo your password. So the stock password's root. So once you've changed that, it's no longer root on the desktop. So do keep that in mind. Currently mining to brains, which of course we're not going to mine to brains. We're actually going to stick it to CK pool and crank this bad boy up once it's not right here. So let's go change all of this inside of the mining software, and let's go. Alright, so now that we are here in the web GUI, we can go ahead and just kind of do this a little bit easier. So here's the dashboard. I really like the dashboard, and this is actually where the vulnerability was. So as I said it again, update your stuff. So you can go to network and give it, you can change its IP address, static its IP address. If you go to configuration, as you can see, airspeed is currently set to a low. So it was on low. We actually changed that up. Click confirm, and it'll actually ramp up the spans a little bit, which it's actually right here next to me as we are currently speaking. So it's not even that loud. Alright. Network, logs, system. So password, upgrade, reboot, reset. And now setting the setting your Wi-Fi, you have to do that inside of the app as well if you want to set the Wi-Fi correctly. Just kind of waiting for these. Yep, there they go. So the fans actually did ramp up. That's really cool. All right, so we're gonna get rid of all of these because we're not gonna use it. Worker. Now we just need to enter our Busy Bitcoin address. All right, so there we go. It is set. We are hashing. For whatever reason, I cannot set a worker name. Unsure why. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know why I can't set the worker name. It just won't work. We're going to go with no name. Old no name. It's kind of what we're going to get with. Even in the app, I can't set the app, the worker name in the app either. So, weird. If anybody knows, maybe it was the last update. I don't know. Yeah. But it is up, hashing. We are on the medium setting because it's just sitting right here on my desk. We'll crank it up to high once it's out there, which is 140 watts. And, well, the chances to find a solo block at 5 terahashes is, well, 1 in 2,461, which in a year. All in all, not terribly bad if you think about it. There is less people in the world and less people solo mining. Will we win a block? Will we not? We'll never know. Anyways, we'll catch you on the flip side, guys. Much love. Peace out. Remember, stay freaking savage. Happy hashing, and we'll catch y'all on the flip side. Solo gang, out. Peace.